Friends, I am Ranjit Dhunde. Welcome back to the lecture series on matrix analysis. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed eigenvalues, eigenvectors method for finding the solution of system of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now, let us discuss this method with some additional examples. Now, this example 1, solve this second order differential equation by matrix method. Given condition y of 0 is equal to 5 and y dash of 0 is equal to 8. Now solution. Now first we convert this second order differential equation in the matrix form. Now the question is how. We denote this y is equal to x1 and first derivative dy by dt is equal to x2. Now differentiating this y with respect to t, this implies that dy by dt is equal to dx1 by dt. That is, this dy by dt is denoted by x2 and therefore this dx1 by dt is equal to dy by dt means x2. So therefore this dx1 by dt is equal to 0 times x1 plus 1 times x2. Now by substituting y equal to x1 and dy by dt is equal to x2 in the given equation, now therefore this equation 1 implies that this d2y by dt square means d by dt dy by dt, and dy by dt be the x2, the here this d2y by dt square becomes dx2 by dt is equal to, now this 2 times y, तो हम इसको राइट हैंड साइड लिख रहे हैं, तो माइनस 2 टाइम्स y, तो y is x1, तो here minus 2 times x1. अगेन दिस माइनस 3 टाइम्स dy by dt, तो उसको हम राइट हैंड साइड लिख रहे हैं, तो प्लस 3 टाइम्स dy by dt be the x2, the answer is 3 times x2. And therefore matrix form of the given system, the answer is d by dt x1 x2 is equal to coefficient matrix. The coefficient of x1 and x2 in equation 1 are 0 and 1. So this is the first row of the coefficient matrix. Similarly, coefficient of x1 and x2 in the second equation are minus 2 and 3. And again x1 x2. Now we denote it as dx by dt. This column vector x1 x2 is denoted by capital X is equal to this coefficient matrix A times x. This is the matrix form of the given system where x is equal to column vector x1 x2 and A is equal to coefficient matrix 0 1 minus 2 3. Now we determine eigenvalues for the coefficient matrix A. Eigenvalues. Therefore characteristic equation is determinant A minus lambda times I is equal to 0. Here characteristic equation is 0 minus lambda, 1 minus 2 and 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Means lambda is subtracting from the diagonal elements of the matrix A. Now expansion of this determinant, the minus lambda times 3 minus lambda minus minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Now answer is lambda square minus 3 times lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. Now we solve this characteristic equation. The factors of 2 minus 1 minus 2, the here lambda minus 1 and lambda minus 2, that means lambda 1 is equal to 1 and lambda 2 is equal to 2. So here lambda 1 not equal to lambda 2. Now in the second step we determine eigenvector, that means we solve equation a minus lambda times I times v is equal to 0. So here a minus lambda times I, so here a minus lambda times I be the minus lambda 1 minus 2 3 minus lambda, and this v be the v1 v2 and this 0 be the null vector 0 0. This equation is denoted by 3. Now for first eigenvalue lambda 1 is equal to 1. So therefore this equation 3 implies that minus 1 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 1, answer is 2. Then v1 v2 and is equal to the 0 0. Therefore this row into this column, the minus 1 times v1 plus 1 times v2 is equal to 0. Similarly this second row into column, so we get the same equation. So that is v1 is equal to v2, and therefore v1 upon 1 is equal to v2 upon 1. So therefore this v1 is equal to 1 and v2 is equal to 1. Now therefore first eigenvector, this v is equal to 1 1. So therefore first solution of the given system 1 is denoted by x1t. This is equal to e to the power lambda 1 t times first eigenvector. So here lambda 1 be the 1, the 1 times t, and v1 be the first eigenvector. So here answer is 1 1. So this is the first solution of the given system. Dx by dt is equal to a times x. Now for lambda is equal to second root, second eigenvalue, so lambda 2 is equal to 2. So therefore by substituting this lambda is equal to 2 in equation 3, so this 3 implies that minus 2 1 minus 2 and again 3 minus lambda 3 minus 2, answer is 1. v1 v2 is equal to 0 0. Now this row into this column is equal to 0, so minus 2 times v1 plus v2 is equal to 0. Similarly this second row into column is equal to 0, means we get the same equation. That means 2v1 is equal to v2, therefore v1 upon 1 is equal to v2 upon 2, that is this v1 is equal to 1 and v2 is equal to 2, and therefore this second eigenvector v is equal to capital V is equal to 1 2, and therefore the second solution of the given system is denoted by x2t is equal to e to the power lambda 2t times second eigenvector v2, so this is equal to e to the power 2 times t, lambda 2 be the 2, and v2 means second eigenvector, answer is 1 2, column vector 1 2, and therefore general solution of the given equation 1 is x of t is equal to c1 x1 of t plus c2 x2 of t. So here x of t, the x of t is equal to x1 x2 is equal to c1, this x1 of t be the e to the power t, and this column vector 1 1 plus c2 x2 of t, x2 of t be the e to the power 2 times t, and column vector 1 2, that is x1 x2 is equal to c1 e to the power t plus c2 e to the power 2 times t, and c1 e to the power t plus 2 times c2 e to the power 2 times t. Now this x1 be the y and this x2 be the dy by dt. Therefore y is equal to c1 e to the power t plus c2 e to the power 2 times t, and dy by dt is equal to c1 e to the power t plus 2 times c2 e to the power 2 times t. Now using the given conditions, the given conditions are y of 0 is equal to 5 and this y dash of 0 is equal to 8. So by substituting t equal to 0 in equation this first and this second equation, the answer is 5 is equal to y of 0 is equal to 5 c1 e to the power 0 1 plus c2 e to the power 0 again 1, and again this y dash of 0 is equal to 8 means dy by dt at t equal to 0, answer is 8 is equal to c1 plus 2 times c2. Now solving these two equations, the answer is c2 is equal to 8 minus 5 means 3, and therefore c1 is equal to 2, and therefore the given solution given solution y is equal to, now this general solution becomes the particular solution. So here c1 be the 2 e to the power t plus c2 be the 3 e to the power 2 times t, and this is the required solution of the given second order differential equation. Now this example 2, solve dx1 by dt is equal to x1 plus x2 and dx2 by dt is equal to x2. Given condition x1 0 is equal to 1, x2 0 is equal to 1 by matrix method. Now solution, matrix form dx by dt is equal to a times x, where a is the coefficient matrix and this x be the column vector x1 x2. Now for eigenvalues, characteristic equation determinant a minus lambda times I is equal to 0, and here determinant a minus lambda I means 1 minus lambda 1 0 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. The answer is 1 minus lambda whole square is equal to 0, that means lambda is equal to 1, and again 1. So here eigenvalues are equal. Here lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2. So therefore for this we use the expansion method. So therefore this equation 1 implies that dx upon x, हम वेरिएबल सेपरेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, इज इक्वल टू a टाइम्स dt. नाउ इंटीग्रेटिंग द log x is equal to a times t plus log c, and therefore this x is equal to e to the power at times c. Here c be the constant vector. Now by using the condition, this c is equal to x of 0, and therefore this capital X is equal to e to the power at times x of 0. This is the equation number 2. Now by using the exponential series, now expansion of e to the power at, the answer is I plus a times t plus a square t square by 2 factorial plus dash 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 and this x of 0. That this is the expansion of the e to the power at. Now this x of t, here x of t be the x1, x2, and this is equal to this I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1 plus a times t means t times a. The a be the coefficient matrix. Here coefficient matrix is 1 1 0 1 plus t square by 2 factorial and a square. Here a square be the 1 1 0 1 and its square plus dash dash dash. Now this x of 0 be the x1 of 0 and x2 of 0. This is the given conditions. So therefore this x1 x2 is equal to, now this a square, the a square is equal to a times a. So this row into this column, so this 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 0, answer is 1. Again this first row into second column, the 1 times 1 1 plus 1 times 1 1, the 1 plus 1, answer is 2. Now this second row into first column, answer is 0. Now again this second row into second column, answer is 1. That is a square is equal to 1 2 and 0 1 plus, and this x1 0 and x2 0 means given condition. The given conditions are 1 1. So this is equal to, now addition, the addition of the corresponding elements. So here 1 plus t times 1 plus t square by 2 factorial into 1 plus dash dash dash. Now 0 plus t times 1 plus t square by 2 factorial times 2 means t square. Now 0 plus t times 0 plus t square by 2 factorial times 0 plus so on. The answer is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Similarly 1 plus t times 1 plus t square by 2 factorial times 1 and again this 1 1. Now this is the expansion of the e to the power t. The answer is e to the power t, and this t plus t square plus so on 0, and again this is e to the power t, and this is 1 1. Now this row into this column is equal to e to the power t plus t plus t square plus so on. Similarly, this second row into column, the 0 times 1 0 plus e to the power t times 1 means e to the power t. This is x1 x2, and therefore here x1 is equal to e to the power t plus t square plus dash dash dash, and x2 is equal to e to the power t. This is the required solution for the given system. So hope all of you have understood the matrix method. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for your attention.